Hello and welcome to the Why Am I Still Single Masterclass with yours truly, your relationship coach and speaker, Terry D. What is this class about? Who is this class for? This class is about peeling back the layers. This class is about restoration, restoring faith back in love, alleviating our limited beliefs, and knowing that we are worthy of love. We're worthy of love beyond accepting good enough. Good enough is not great enough. So we have to dig to the root, get beneath the surface, and start to address the root cause of why we may actually believe we'll always be single. Why we may actually believe that we don't deserve more than what we actually settle for, right? So, who's this class for? This master class is for men and women alike. We have to begin to heal together. That way, there are no blurred lines. We know exactly how he feels, and he knows exactly how we feel. Let's take this journey together. Let's learn what compromise really means. Let's learn that silence can be golden. Let's learn why we actually believe the things that we believe about love, good and or bad. So it's for men and women between the ages of 35 and 55. Now, that's not pushing anyone else out, but that's the age demographic that I'm going to target right now because that's where I've done the most research for this actual class. That's where the feedback came in. The pain seemed almost tangible because of my own experiences. We're not going to hold back, even if there are tears of joy and pain. We're going to resolve this. Everything can't be done overnight. It's going to be a 5-week course. It's an investment into you and who you're looking to become. Not a stereotype and not a statistic. We are more than a number. We're real people with real feelings, things that have been, just forced upon us, beliefs, seeds that have been planted out of bad choices, out of things that we've learned from things that we have witnessed for ourselves, sometimes things that were taught to us just because it was all that they knew. But it's time for us to take control, be accountable, and be responsible from this moment forward. We are now going to be accountable because we can't escape it once we address it. So this class is about busting open all of the pain, addressing things that we can't seem to mentally dismiss, triggers that keep us bound, and those words that were spoken to you that dismissed you. That's why I want us both to heal. See, as women, we dismiss his feelings and he doesn't understand ours. That's why we heal together and the two shall become one. I don't want to think like a man, but I want to understand his love language. I don't need him to think like me, but I need him to understand this crazy ball of emotions that I can be. My journey has not been easy, but every single step was worth it. Guess why? Because it led me right here today. And we're all going to heal together. I have a licensed therapist that'll be on hand. It's a team of us that we're going to show how we came out on the other side. Now, every day is a process. No one is perfect. But we certainly want to understand those little idiosyncrasies about us that make us tick. So, I want you to invest in you. I want you to love you enough to say yes to you before you say yes to anyone else. Don't join together brokenness. This is all about healing and restoration. And I am excited. You know why? Because I am grateful for the women that invested in me, that poured into me when they were able to recognize those broken pieces of who I was. So I know my journey was intentional. I know my journey was on purpose for my purpose, and my pain became my purpose. And here I am today to tell you it is worth it. Even when you don't understand it, it's worth it. You're worth it. And we are going to break generational curses, and we're going to start to pass down generational blessings. But before we can do that, we have to understand and dismantle some things that we have accepted as who we are. So, when you're done watching this, click on the link, fill out your interest form. It's confidential. I will be only accepting 10 participants. And then we'll go beyond that. But right now, I need this to be an intimate exchange, for us to begin the healing and the restoration. Fill out your forms, and I will be doing a one-on-one interview with every last one of you. Thank you so much, and I look forward to speaking with each and every one of you. Take care and have an amazing day. Bye-bye.